Hey, Zog.
Hey, this view sure brings back memories.
Totally.
Also, they are arranged so well.
Good eye, my boy.
Thanks. So, who decided which spaceship stands where?
Well, each spaceship has a particular parking slot, Theo.
Which means we have to store a spaceship's name in its slot.
Exactly. So, what's the arrangement you see here?
Well, I see 4 rows of spaceships.
And how many slots in each row?
Let's see. There's 4 of them.
For now, let's name them as A, B, C, D, and so on.
A bit plain, but okay.
And it must be so that we can tell which spaceship stands where.
Well, I'll make a variable for each row and put the names inside it. Like this. Doing so, we'll know a spaceship's row, like A in row 1
Or E in row 2. That's smart.
But there's one problem.
And what's that?
Mr. Python cannot give me the slot of A or B in row 1. So, I don't think this will work.
Wait!
What happened?
Mr. Python can do that.
Yeah, he gives a number to each letter of a string.
And using them, we can access every letter.
Then, these numbers are nothing but slots.
Righto.
So, how will I know the slot numbers?
First, we write the variable name which holds A.
That's row 1.
Right.
Next, we put a dot. Then comes the word index.
Which is just a fancy word for slots.
Finally, inside brackets, you write A with quotes.
So, it displays the slot number of A in row 1. 0, it should be 1 as A is the first letter in row 1.
Well, Mr. Python starts the numbering from 0.
That's why A's position is 0 in row 1.
And we call it A's index.
Yeah, likewise, index of B is 1, C is 2, and D is 3.